If you want your shorts to go viral, you need to edit them like Alex Hormozi does. And today I will show you how to do that in less than 3 minutes in Filmora. So first of all, we will import our video. We have it here on the track and we're gonna go File and then Project Settings. Here we need to set up our resolution and our frame rate and also the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio needs to be 9:16 or portrait. No matter if you filmed it in 16:9, we want the video to be vertical. This is basically a vertical resolution. We are gonna set the resolution and also the frame rate the same as the video we've filmed. Then we will go ahead, and here I am speaking into the camera. So now we're gonna just cut up all the silent spaces, and this is it. Now the next thing is actually zooming it in a bit. Let's say you were a bit further away when you were filming, so we want to place our head somewhere close to the middle, so something like this. Now you can go right click on the video that you've just zoomed in, and you can go Effect Filter and copy, and then just select other clips and go here Effect Filter and then paste. Now these videos are also zoomed as well. Now the main part, captions. Go into the titles, place the default title here, drag it across the whole video, and also make sure that this setting is on so you can actually just like snap the video until the end, so you don't have, for an example, black space rendered. So now we will take the text, we're gonna pull it below our head, so always the title needs to be under your head. So for an example, it would be here somewhere. Here we're gonna go to text, and first of all, change the font. The font Alex Hormozi uses is the bold font, so just like this. Now we're gonna go to advanced, scroll down a bit, add the outline. The thickness needs to be somewhere around 18. And also add some shadow. The default one is good, just make sure that it's black. Now we're gonna click apply, then we're gonna separate the text like this. So the smaller sections, or the more times you separate the text, you will be able to have bigger text, and therefore it's going to be more visible. Here I said I love video editing, so I'm going to write like this: I love video editing. And also make sure that it's in the middle. I mean, this text, you will just click this, pull it down here, and then now coloring the text. So words that are negative need to be red, words that are positive need to be green, and the words that are neutral need to be yellow. So for example, love is positive, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna select love, and then we're gonna color it in green. Just make sure you select the whole text, not like I did. And now we have green text. For an example, video is neutral, so we're gonna add the yellow color to it, and it would look something like this. So to finish the caption part, we need to actually add emojis. So go to Google, and for an example, if you said video or love, you will take that word. For example, I'll use, for an example, video. You're gonna go to Google and you're gonna write video emoji PNG. Here you're gonna go to images, and I recommend you always using iOS emoji or Apple emojis. So here I found the camera, this is the iOS emoji. I'm gonna right click and save image to downloads. Make sure that you have these squares in the background, because that means the image is transparent, that you will only have this icon here. Also, if you can't find a certain emoji, you can actually copy it. So now I'm gonna go back to Filmora, go import media, select the camera and place it on the track. Alex emoji usually places it exactly under the text, so it would be something like this, and he would add a push transition, so for an example, push up, and we would get something like this. You will basically repeat the same process until the end. Now the last step is you're gonna go here to audio. Filmora has this, but you can also go to Pixabay. I'll show you quickly. Pixabay motivational music, and here you can actually listen to the songs by clicking this button and downloading it here for free. But I have the Filmora subscription, so I'm just gonna pull some random song here. I'm gonna cut the end, and I'm gonna turn its volume to minus 32 decibels. And that's pretty much it. You can mess around with the light settings, but this is the biggest part of the Alex Hormozi style. It's basically simple, visible, and eye-catching. His results have shown that this style of editing works, and it's also really easy to do, and I hope you've learned it. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.